Hi, we are Team Pivot from Utah Games of University of Utah, and we are here presenting you the Out Controller game Pivot. Pivot is a alternative controller or out control game where two players or more players cooperate together to move a furniture inside a haunted house, but the catch is you move the furniture in the game by moving an actual furniture in the real world. So there will be a real sofa we made, and once you turn the sofa or move the sofa, your movement will be mapped directly to the game, and that's how you move the in-game sofa and go through obstacles in the haunted house.
Yeah, the main difference of compared to other co-op games with Pivot is that we really wanted players to kind of be at each other's throats. We wanted some conflict, not enough to be like a proper co-opetition game where there's a total winner, but we wanted quarterbacking, we wanted arguing, we wanted people saying, you gotta go up, you gotta go down, and a lot of our design factors into that.
On the technical side, we use two separate systems to track the rotational change of the real-world controller and the height movement of the controller. For the rotation, we use a very simple setup with Arduino processors and a very simple gyroscope that comes with Arduino. And for a height sensor, instead of using expensive or proprietary hardware, we use computer vision. So there is a set of April tags at the bottom of our controller, and we have cameras mounted on the ground that can detect those April tags and know how far they are away from the ground. That's how we calculate how high the controller is currently. The good thing about this setup with Arduino gyroscope and computer vision is that it's cheap and it's very readily available. So players not only will be able to play this game on site, they will also be able to recreate the experience at home if they choose to do so. And we open source all our source code to make it happen.
So during one of our playtests, we noticed a kind of emergent property of Pivot. In this specific playtest, the playtesters were children, and a lot of them wanted to play, and they couldn't all carry the controller, so we had 4 of them play instead of the 2 that we would have expected. And we realized that the game actually played really well with multiple people. We still got all the arguing we wanted, and it was even not more intense, but more involved with each axis having to be covered by a different player. So, going forward, that was something we kind of expected players to do, is have these larger teams. Just having anyone who wanted to play just hop on an edge of the couch and try to get it through the mansion.
The game starts with a quick height calibration, where the player will be asked to raise the controller to their maximum height. This way, we not only make sure that the shorter players will be able to clear through some of the more challenging obstacles in the game, we also guarantee that taller players will be able to enjoy the same amount of challenges in the game and having the same amount of fun. In this playthrough, you will see how 2 players must physically coordinate movements using a real furniture-shaped out controller to navigate a haunted house.
但是不是，但是你不敢体检这个行为不是电子可以发现没有保险的。他不会检查你身体上的检测。做一个流量全面检查，这就是大人的世界。应该是不行。좋아요.
Oh, that's a. Pivot is a game about physical cooperation, chaos, and laughter. It's part haunted house, part moving day, and entirely powered by the players themselves. Thank you.